I couldn't get this generator to start at first. I ran it just like a month ago, or maybe 2 months ago. And then 2 days ago, I tried to get it out, and I got it out and tried to get it started. It wouldn't start. I was really frustrated, man. I mean, I looked at a YouTube video, and it talked about taking the carburetor apart, and I'm thinking, you know what? The thing's barely been out. It's only got 18 hours on it. What's the odds of the carburetor being plugged up? So, you know what? I just thought, I don't have anything else to do, so I just dropped the bowl and yanked out the jet, and sure enough, man, there was something packed in the jet. I mean, it just didn't fall out. It was, I don't know. So I got it going on the job yesterday. About 5 minutes, 10 minutes into work, and it quits generating electricity. So now I'm trying to figure it out. There's really only 2 things on this, 4, including the coil and the rotor, or 5, but got the brushes, and there's a AC voltage regulator. I bought one, 80 bucks, supposed to come to the house today. So I ended up replacing the voltage regulator, and the generator worked great. I think the generator was not grounded to the house, and I was using some water, and rather than tripping the GFI, it fried the voltage regulator. So I ran a cord from the house to the generator just for a ground wire.